I'm going to show you how to use an applique in Cricut Design Space so you can cut it with your Cricut Maker. So first we're going to show you what this applique looks like. I had someone send this image to me, and I am just going to focus on one of the flowers for this demonstration. But you can use the same process to do the whole design. So let me share my screen here. Okay, and I'm going to turn this off for now. What I'm going to do is upload just a portion of this design because it is so large that I don't want it to take up too much time and space. And I am going to find where I saved it. There we go. So I'm just focusing on this flower. So you can see this flower has a petal here that's named A3, a petal here that's named C3, and a petal here that's B3. Those are going to be the different colors or patterns, fabrics. So we're going to have to upload and clean up this image once for each one of these colors. I'm going to start with simple because it's just a black and white or grayscale image. Now I'm going to use my magic wand and remove this. There's a little bit of text down here, so I'm just going to grab that. Now I'm going to get rid of the stem because for this portion I'm not focusing on that. But if you were doing this whole large image, you could upload it once and just focus on all the stems, and then the next time do the flowers. So it's not going to be a quick process. You're going to be uploading a lot of different things. I'm focusing on A3. So I want to get rid of this and this because I just want this teardroppy A3 image. So now I can use my eraser tool and just get rid of all of this. And if I want to zoom in, I can zoom in like this so I can really get in there. Let's say you accidentally do that and say how I cut in. I can go up here and go undo. It puts it right back so that I can just clean it up again. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom out and look at it. And now you can see that's the shape for the A3. If I do preview, I can see the whole outline. That looks good. So I'm going to go continue. And I can see right there, I missed the little dot. So I'm going to go back and zoom way in. And grab my little eraser again. And let's do a preview. There it is. Boom. Okay, now I'm going to continue. I like it. I'm going to save it as a cut image. And this was the lower applique, and I'm going to put the A3, just so I remember that this was the A3 piece. So I'm going to save that. That's right there. Now let's upload again, same image, simple, and use the magic wand. And now this time we're going to do the C3. So I might get rid of this. And this. And now this is what I want to test. If I click inside here, see how I took out all of that? And I want that as part of my image. So I'm going to undo and get rid of this. And what I'm going to have to do, oh, I went too close. What I'm going to have to do is go right along this line because it's dashed. So when it's dashed, all those little openings kind of screw up my line that I'm going along. So I'm going to have to manually kind of put in the line. Another way to solve this would be before you upload it, before you scan the image actually, and upload it to Design Space, go over all these dashed lines, make them solid lines, and then they would trim out really nice like how the A3 piece did. Okay. But it is possible to do it this way. Just a little bit more time consuming. So now I'm going to make my eraser tool really big and just wipe all this out. And now I'm going to do a preview. And I messed up over here. Okay. I'm going to zoom back out and preview one more time. So if I go continue, oh, I missed a spot. Go back. Sometimes when you go in, you see a spot you miss, and that comes back up. So I can just clean that out now. Okay, now we're looking good. So now I'm going to say this is Applique flower C3. Okay. So now if I just insert these two in here, and I'm just going to make these two different colors. So say one was purple and one was a lighter purple. And I just have to remember how these fit. So then it was kind of like this. And you know what? You could even pull in the black and white outline to then, I'm sorry, let me show you how, I mean, if I go upload and then bring this image in and call it simple and continue, and then go continue, but save this as a print and cut. Now it's going to give me all the details. So now I can insert that image and see how I can now use that as a guide for lining things up. So when I bring the purple back there, I'm going to bring that to the front. So now I can line it up like that. And yeah, that is going to be the top one. So now I can bring this one in and arrange to bring to front and line it up there. So now I'm starting to build my flower. Okay, so the A3 is supposed to be on the top. So now I click on that piece and go arrange and bring it to front. Now you can see that I'm starting to build my flower. So that's how you would have to do this with each and every section. Just like if you're cutting this out of fabric, first you have to basically cut these pieces into shapes and images that you can then build into your final project. I hope that helped you to understand how to use an applique and bring it into Cricut Design Space to save it as a cutting image. And make sure to subscribe to my videos. I have plans for lots more videos. Or if you have a project you're struggling with, please let me know. Maybe that will turn into my next tutorial. Thanks.